Alright. Honey, can you just have a quick look on the cameras and see that everything is that I'm in?
On this one, you've got a filter on. Do you know that?
No. How do I take the filter off?
Yeah, glasses on. The mystery mask. Is it that?
I have no idea.
Go back over.
Is it still there?
No, it's gone.
Oh, cool. That was funny. What in the tato? Get underway in just a second.
Yeah.
Am I in?
Yeah, I'm just checking that the screen is in.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Tēnā koutou tamariki mā. The response is tēnā koe matua whaitiri. Ka pai? Tēnā koutou tamariki mā. Tēnā koe matua whaitiri. Kia ora, ka pai. And nau mai hoki mai ki tēnei wānanga. Welcome back to this session, Kapahaka for Kids. But it's Kapahaka for everyone. And if you're joining us for the first time, there's no experience necessary. Come along, give it a go, and have some fun for the next half an hour. So let's get into it. First thing we start off with is our karakia. And for the last couple of weeks, we've been having some issues with our screen. So today we're trying a black background with white lettering, and it's probably just as bad as it was last week. We'll figure it out. Here we go. After me. Kia hora. Kia hora. Te marino. Te marino. Kia whakapapa. Kia whakapapa. Pounamu. Te moana. Te moana. Kia tere. Kia tere. Te karohirohi. I mua. I tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. Too easy. Wonderful little karakia there. Kia hora te marino. Let peace be widespread. Kia whakapapa pauna mu te moana. And let the ocean for your journey be calm, glistening like greenstone. And the shimmering light across the water will guide the journey. Ooh, it's good to be alive. Kia ora. What a fantastic way to start our morning. So our kiwaha for today is kua eke. Kua eke. Kōrero mai? Kua eke. Kua eke. Ka pai. And kua eke, you say that when you've said all you can say in a conversation, or when you've had enough to eat. Ka pai? Kua eke. Enough said, or I'm full. Ka pai? So today, at lunchtime or morning tea, when you're with your whānau and you've had a lot of kai, you can say, oh, kua eke, I'm full. Ka pai? All right, here we go. Start off with our little vocal warm-up. Ahaka mana para tawanga wha. So it's just the format remains the same through every line, and we just change the vowel sound. Okay? Give it a go. Toru wha. Ahaka mana para tawanga wha. E heke mene pere te wenge whe. I hiki mini piri ti wingi fi. O hoko mono poro to wongo fo. Vowel sounds. A, e, I, o, u. Uhukumuna puru tu wumufu. Ka pai, ka pai. Let's do this one more time. This time let's speed it up. See how fast you can go. Toru wha. Ahaka mana para tawanga wha. E heke mene pere te wingi whe. I hiki mini piri ti wingi fi. O hoko mono poro to ongo fo. Vowel sounds. A, e, I, o, u. Uhuku mana puru tu ongo fu. Kia ora. Ka mau te wehi. Awesome mahi team. Fantastic start. Let's move on to another little warm-up. I sing it, you sing it, and we do the actions together. That's how this one works. Pakeke mai, are you ready? Toru, fa. Pakeke mai, o mati mati. Wai wai fiua ki te taha. Takahuri, ko wiri wiri. Takahuri, ko wiri wiri. A kani, tatinana. Hey ha! Hey ha! Hey ha! Paki. Kia ora. Thank you very much. Beautiful little waiata. Moving on. Mahunga pakihiwi toru fa. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hoppe wai wai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hoppe wai wai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hoppe wai wai. Taringa whatu I huahae. Kia ora. That's good singing. Sometimes to change this one up, we can take some words out, but today we're actually going to go faster. Okay? So you have to keep up with me. Kuriri koutou, are you ready? Excellent. Let's go. Toru fa. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hoppe wai wai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hoppe wai wai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hoppe wai wai. Taringa whatu I huahae. Aue. Kei runga no atu koutou. Here we are. Counting to 10 in te reo Māori. We all know how to do it. So let's do this one together straight off the bat. Toru fa. Tahiru a toru fa. Rima ono fitu aru iwa te kou. Tahiru a toru fa. Rima ono fitu aru iwa te kou. Tahiru a toru fa. Rima ono fitu aru iwa te kou. Tahiru a toru fa. Rima ono fitu aru iwa te kou. Ka pai, kia ora. That little tune is from Waiata Mō Ngā Tamariki, which you can stream on Spotify. Kia ora. Anika moa. Kia ora. Hoppe. Our first action song for today, Tu Tira Mai Ngā Iwi. Let's sing it twice through with the actions. Toru fa. Tu tira mai ngā iwi. Tātou e. Other side. Tu tira mai ngā iwi. Tātou e. Whai o te maramatanga. Me te aroha e ngā iwi. Kia papatahi, kia kotahira. Tātou e. Tu tira mai ngā iwi. Tātou e. Don't forget the oe. Tu tira mai ngā iwi. Houe. Tātou e. Whai o te maramatanga. Me te aroha e ngā iwi. Kia tapatahi, kia kotahira. Tātou e. Hope. Tātou. Puriti a kia mau. Hia wehi. Joys. Just fantastic. Just wonderful. I love Tu Tira Mai Ngā Iwi. I say it all the time. It's one of the classics. Ngā te kahununu. Kia ora. All right. Let's jump in today for Pūrerehua. Ka pai. Ki raro. Hope. Hand out. Butterfly on top but not touching. Take it up. 2 taps. Follow it down. 2 hands go up. 2 taps. Follow it down. Ka pai? Here we go. Toru, fa. Purere hua rere runga hau. Papaki parira urere runga hau. Ka piki runga rawae. Papaki parira urere runga hau. Ka piki runga rawae. Papaki parira urere runga hau. Ka pai. Now, I know that there are some whānau that are joining us for the first time. Kia ora, Sean and your whānau. So, what we are going to do is we're just going to break this song down one more time because it is one that we use a lot. So, here we go. After me. Purere hua. Rere runga hau. Papaki pariro. Rere runga hau. Ka piki runga rawae. Papaki pariro. Rere runga hau. Kia ora. And welcome new families. Here we are. Last time. Toru fa. Purere hua rere runga hau. Papaki pariro rere runga hau. Ka piki runga rawae. Papaki pariro rere runga hau. Ka piki runga rawae. Papaki pariro rere runga hau. And if you can hear the 2 voices in the background, or the 3 voices, that'll be Jarden, Ivy, and Samara in the kitchen.
Hello, amigos.
Kiraro, Hope, after me. Karanga mai, karanga mai, piwayo waka e, piwayo waka e. Tuki mai, tuki mai, piwayo waka e, piwayo waka e. And you're going to do a big scoop. Hey manu, kori, hey manu. Oh, I'm just going to stop you there for a second. I just noticed in the last action that some of you weren't putting enough sassy hip into your movement. Ka pai? So let's get that one right before we move on. After me. Hey manu. Kori. That's better. Hey manu. Fio. Piwai waka e. Let's go. All of it together. Toru fa. Karanga mai. Piwai waka e. Tuki mai. Piwai waka e. Hey manu. Kori. Hey manu. Fio. Piwai waka e. Woo! Neat, all right? Ka pai. Kiraro, hope, tihei toru fa. Tihei mauri ora. Tihei mauri ora. Ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake karangatia. Tuake manakitia. Ngā iwi kia orara. Go! So, if Te Hei Mauri Ora is new for you, the easiest way to actually learn this one is just to listen to it 700 times, right? So, we'll go again. Follow the actions, listen to the words, listen to the music. Here we go. Hope, toru, fa. Tihei mauri ora. Tihei mauri ora. Ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake. Tuake karangatia. Tuake manakitia. Ngā iwi kia ora. Tahirua taruwa. Hia wehi. Ka pai. See, I told you. Easy, eh? Easy. So, if you saw the little poster that I put out today, you'll know that Mondays is New Song Day. Yes. And our new song today is actually not new. It's our newest song. I thought we might recap it today just because we do have a lot of people joining us for the first time. And this song is relevant to where we are at the moment. This song is called Kaimahi Marika e. And a Kaimahi Marika is an essential worker. Alright? So we'll go through this first verse. I'll say the words, you say it after me. Then I'll sing it, you sing it after me. Then we sing it together. Here we go. Tēnā koutou e ngā Kaimahi Marika. Kaimahi Marika. E mahi tonu. E mahi tonu. Ana e. Ana e. I'll sing it, you sing it after me. Tēnā koutou e ngā. Tēnā koutou e ngā. Kaimahi Marika. Kaimahi Marika. E mahi tonu ana e. E mahi tonu ana e. Kia ora. Sing all of that together. Tēnā koutou. Toru wha. Tēnā koutou e ngā Kaimahi Marika. E mahi tonu ana e. One more time. Tēnā koutou e ngā Kaimahi Marika. E mahi tonu ana e. Ready to move on? Yes, you are. Here we go. After me. Ia mātou. Ia mātou. E noho. Haumaru ana. Ka mahi tonu. Oh no. Here we go. Ka mahi tonu koutou. Ka mahi tonu koutou. I ngā ratonga mō tātou. Ratonga mō tātou. Ka pai. You sing it after me. Ia matu e no. Ia matu e no. Ho hau maru ana. Ho hau maru ana. Ka mahi tonu koutou. Ka mahi tonu koutou. I ngā ratonga mō tātou. Yeah, I know. I already know. It's a tricky one. Kapai. Who cares? Make it up as you go. And as the days goes on, it'll get easier. Here we go. Together. Toru wha. Ia matu e no. Ho hau maru ana. Ka mahi tonu koutou. I ngā ratonga mō tātou. One more time. Toru wha. Ia matu e no. Ho hau maru ana. Ka mahi tonu koutou. I ngā ratonga mō tātou. Yeah. And then it just goes back to the top again. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Hey. Kuri tātou. Whole song? Alright. Toru wha. Tēnā koutou e ngā Kaimahi Marika. E mahi tonu ana e. Ia matu e no. Ho hau maru ana. Ka mahi tonu koutou I ngā ratonga mo tātou. Tēnā koutou I ngā kai mahi marika. E mahi tonu ana e. E mahi tonu ana e. Hea wehi. Ka pai. And because it is New Song Monday, it wouldn't be New Song Monday without an entire song, so that includes the actions. Here we go. Tēnā koutou e ngā kai mahi marika, e mahi tonu ana e. Turn. Ia matu e no, ho maru ana. Ka mahi tonu koutou I ngā ratonga mo tātou. Tēnā koutou e ngā kai mahi marika. E mahi tonu ana e. E mahi tonu ana e. Ka pai, kia ora. Ko eke, are you full of this song now? Ka pai. Oh, must be haka time. Am I right? Yeah.
I'm going.
We love a good haka time around here, don't we, son?
I'm coming.
It's haka. It's haka time. Are you leading it today?
Yes.
Right, jump up. Here we go. If you are joining us for the first time, you haven't done this karakia with us before, that's all good. Just stamp your feet, move your hands, follow us with the movements, keep a strong face, keep a strong body, and try and make some sounds really, really loud. Ka pai? Here we go. Ki roro.
Whakarongo! Te tatu! Kōrero tu pato!
Mate korona e ki te ti, ki te ta, kua urua te hua ke tone I te whenua o Aotearoa. I te taurua mana rua te kou, pau tu te rangi, kara hui tia te kawanai, I ngā kura, ngā mahi, ngā hui, ngā tutaki, whakatu te rere, a hapori, o te mate, korona e. Noho ki te kaimakia, hau maru te noho. Horaia o ringa ringa, tu tirara, noho tawhiti tu, katahi e, aue, hei. Kia ora, ka pai. Thank you, Jody Binks. Thanks for helping me out, bro.
I woke up Avery.
You did wake up, Avery. Oh, look. Sorry, Facebook users, for cutting out half the words there.
I did wake up Avery.
I did ask my my AV technician to check that everything was on screen, but that's all right.
I'm not.
You get the help you pay for. How about? Nah, kia ora tātou. Hey, look, I only had one more pānu before we wrap it up today. So, as you would have seen out on Facebook, I put out a little poster which tells you what we're going to be doing each day. So there is kapahaka every day, but each day we have a little bit of a different focus. So Mondays we are introducing new waiata. Tuesdays we're going to be doing titi toria. We're going to be using our short sticks. So you're going to need to organize yourself some rako poto, 2 short sticks per person to play the titi toria games. Tuesday we look at poi. So if you don't have access to poi, jump on YouTube, figure out how to make a poi, or worst case scenario, which is probably best case scenario, just stuff one old sock with another old sock, tie it off at the end, And there's your point. It seems to be working for a lot of people, so keep that one up. Thursdays, after we've had a little bit of waiata, I'll tell you kōrero pūrākau. I'll share with you a traditional Māori story. And then on Fridays, we're just going to jam. So there'll be no talking. You'll see me here. I'll have the words up. I'll have my guitar. And we're just going to sing for half an hour. And then you can go about your weekend. Ka pai? That's assuming that we're still here. Anyway, one last thing. Putting up on Facebook. I'm going to be putting up every week that we are in lockdown, if we're still in lockdown. One of these. This is a task board. And the task board is each week there'll be a list of challenges and activities that you and your whānau can do. You can add it to your home learning if you like. But for most of it, it's really just about giving things a go. Ka pai, there's no stress to have to do any of these activities, but if you want something to do around home and that's Māori by nature or has a little bit of a Māori flavour to it, then our task board will be up on Facebook, and I'll put that up every Monday after session. Ka pai? As always, if you have any questions, you can message me on the page, or you can send an email to Samara and my. We have an email address as well, kapahakaforkids@gmail.com. So if you have any questions about some of the mahi that we're putting out, or you want to make some suggestions, by all means get in touch with us. And I hope you enjoyed today's session. And from my family to your family, our family, kia hau mari te noho. Stay safe. Ka kite everybody. Haere rā.